How to fix TD Bank app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Now at the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the app name TD Bank and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of Storage. Now, over here you're going to find all the apps that are installed on your device. Find the app TD, then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If all these solutions doesn't work for you, what you can do is apply solution 3. For that, you will need to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. So click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app TD Bank and install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix TD Bank app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.